If you have access to the exercise files, then download the zip file to your desktop and unzip it. Now, the exercise files for this course are arranged with one folder for each chapter in the course, and inside of there you'll find a folder for each micro lesson or movie. In here, you'll find all of the files that I use during each lesson, so you can open that file up and follow along with me step by step and get exactly the same results that I'm getting on screen. And for many exercises, I've also included a second copy of the files that I'm working on in the micro lesson, and I've added an _END to the file name so you can dissect my finished files and compare your results to mine. Now, this is really a great way to lock in each micro lesson, and I strongly encourage you to follow along with me with the file as I start using it. Now, as I use a file, you'll see an overlay on screen that looks like this to tell you exactly which file I'm using, and you can pause the video, open that file up on your own computer, and then continue following along with me. Now, this course also contains challenges for all of the later chapters, and after completing all the movies in the chapter, watch the challenge movie and then use the files contained in the challenge folder to complete the task. Now, this is really helpful in testing your mastery of the concepts and skills in that particular chapter. After completing the challenge on your own, watch the solution movie and you can see how I solve that particular challenge. Now, one thing to note about Photoshop is there is almost never a time where there is one and only one way to solve a problem. Therefore, your solution may not exactly match mine. In fact, you may find an even faster or more clever way to solve the challenge than I did. If so, that's awesome. Share your solution on social media and tag me with it on Twitter at CSMattia. If you don't have access to the exercise files, then don't worry. Just use your own images and follow along with me using those.